All of the 16 million colors that our eyes are subject to on a daily basis can be categorized as either having blue or yellow undertones. In fact, you are blue or yellow based, meaning all the parts that make up you, your hair color, your skin color, your eye color, lip color, is either blue or yellow based. Wearing colors that are in your undertone is the best way to complement your natural aesthetic. But how do you know what colors are blue and yellow based? Unless you grew up with this color system like I did, with my grandma being a color specialist and everyone in my family knowing these principles, then it can be really hard to comprehend and understand what colors are best for you. In this video, I'm gonna help train your brain. We're gonna look at blue versus yellow based colors so that you can easily choose colors that look great on you and create color harmony in your life. Welcome to Beauty and Soul Studio. My name is Sophia Knapp, and I post weekly videos on beauty, color, and wellness. If you're interested in learning more about the blue-based, yellow-based color system, consider subscribing. My goal in this video is to show you the difference between blue versus yellow-based colors so that you can easily tell the difference on your own. This is part 2 in a 12-part series all about the blue-based, yellow-based color system. At the end of this 12-part series, you will have all the tools that you really need to create perfect color harmony in your life. In my last video, we talked about what the blue-based, yellow-based color system is and how it came to be. You can watch that video for a little bit more background knowledge on this color system. The basic concept of color harmony is to choose colors to combine that have the same undertone. So more blue pigmented or yellow pigmented colors. When you combine colors that have the same undertone, so blue-based colors with other blue-based colors, or yellow-based colors with other yellow-based colors, it creates harmony. But when you mix the two together, it causes discord. Every color you could possibly want comes from either the blue-based or the yellow-based wheel. This color science is important when choosing colors to wear, makeup to apply, and designing just about anything. For example, a room that uses colors with the same undertone are going to feel more peaceful and more harmonious. Having this knowledge is a game changer for looking your best and designing at a top-notch level. So before we get into the colors, please note, there are 2 colors that can't be on each other's wheel. So I'll explain. So orange, which is a mixture of yellow and red, can never be put on the blue-based wheel. The same goes for burgundy or purple, true burgundy. This color is made up of blue and red, and it will never be found on the yellow-based wheel. These are the only 2 colors that are done this way. Every other color of the rainbow, every shade of that color, including black, brown, gray, and white, has a blue-based and a yellow-based version. Also note, there is no such thing as a neutral color. There's no black that goes with everything or a universal color that everyone can pull off. Every color that you've ever seen is either blue or yellow-based. And now the training really begins. I'm gonna be showing you colors that are blue-based and colors that are yellow-based and different places that you can find these colors in the world. First, we're gonna start with red, and we're gonna start with the blue-based reds. Blue-based reds are beautiful. It's the rubies, the maroons, the burgundies, because it's a mixture of red and a little bit of blue, right? The blue is the undertone. So you're gonna go more towards the purple shades. Blue-based reds make beautiful lipstick colors, beautiful blouses to wear. Blue-based reds are very royal. Velvet couches, velvet curtains, all of these things are usually made up of blue-based reds. And now for yellow-based reds. Yellow-based reds are vibrant, fiery. It's red mixed with yellow, so it goes more towards the orange shades. So these reds are your fire truck engine red, your apple red, your more warm reds. Yellow-based reds are super great for drawing your attention. So fire trucks use them, stop signs, even fast food restaurants will use these reds to grab your eye, grab your attention. Yellow-based reds are super fun, super fiery, great to wear as nail colors, lipstick colors, and just grab attention. Now for blue-based yellows. You may be looking at me like, how could there be a blue-based yellow? Well, blue-based yellows have a very, very slight amount of blue, so they have a little bit of a tinge of green when you look closely at them. Blue-based yellows are a little bit less saturated, a little bit lighter. Blue-based yellows are yellows like daffodil, lemon, icy yellow. These are beautiful, bright yellows that are very, very happy. Now for yellow-based yellows. Yellow-based yellows are saturated, dense, beautiful. These are beautiful yellows for fall time. A lot of people wear mustard yellow in the fall in the form of scarves and sweaters. If you're a fan of mustard yellow, that's a huge indication that you are a yellow-based person. If you have a yellow-based aesthetic in your home, a yellow-based yellow can be a great accent color for a pillow or a throw blanket. Blue-based blues are elegant and royal. These blues are royal blue, turquoise, purple navy, and robin's egg blue. And these blues are found a lot in elegant homes that have blue-based undertones. If you're a blue-based person, these colors scream royalty. If you're not a blue-based person, you actually might think that these blues are tacky to put in a home, but that's another conversation. Now for yellow-based blues. Yellow-based blues are a little bit more muted, a little less saturated. These blues could be identified as like grade muted navy, which is a beautiful color to wear as like a blazer if you're a yellow-based person, or sky blue, or even navy blue. These blues are beautiful for creating an aura of peace and tranquility. And now for blue-based greens. Blue-based greens are blue-green, forest green, or seafoam green. These greens can be found in pine tree forests that have a lot of pine trees and ferns. These are beautiful, rich greens that are found in humid areas. So yellow-based greens are more olive colors, moss colors, yellow greens. These greens is what I think of when I think of a pea, like pea in a pod. You can also find yellow-based greens in nature as moss or yellow-based trees, cactus, places that are yellow-based, you will find the yellow-based greens. Blue-based browns. Blue-based browns are delicious. What I mean by that is blue-based browns are your coffee color, your chocolate, your dark chocolate color, your reddish browns, the reddish browns that you find in the forest, in the mahogany trees, the pine trees, all of the trunks of the trees, the redwood trees, for example, those are all blue-based browns. Beautiful, rich browns that just look delicious. Yellow-based browns are a little different. They're bronze, camel, bamboo is a yellow-based brown. Bamboo is such a beautiful color to use, beautiful wood to use in your home. It's sustainable. We're all for bamboo around here. It's a beautiful yellow-based brown. Yellow-based browns would also be a bronze. A lot of bronzers that you will find are usually yellow-based. They're more of that orangey brown color. So when you do find like a rose gold bronzer, that's like gold for a blue-based person. But most bronzers are yellow-based because they fit more towards that bronze, that classic bronze color. Blue-based rusts. So I'm sure you didn't think we'd be talking about the color of rust, but yes, there are blue-based rusts and yellow-based rusts. Blue-based rust, which is hard to say, blue-based rusts are like the color of cinnamon, or ranch house rust. Ranch house rust is like the color of the hardware you would find in like a farmhouse, or if you're gonna do your house that style, ranch house rust. Yellow-based rust, that's like your classic rust color that it tinges on the side of orange, the orange rust. As far as beige goes, yes, there is a blue-based beige. Blue-based beige is very close to a pink color, pink beige, while yellow-based beige is buff or yellow beige. And now for one of my personal favorite colors, pink. Blue-based pinks are gorgeous. These are the colors like fuchsia, magenta, hot pink, super, super vibrant pinks. You might think of a blue-based pink when you think of like Barbie pink. These are your classic, hot, bright pinks. They grab your attention and they're super fun. Yellow-based pinks are a little bit more on the orangey pink side, like coral, shrimp, salmon, tangerine. These colors are found in nature. These colors are delicious. These colors are beautiful for a yellow-based person to wear as well, for lipsticks and blushes. And now for gray. Blue-based grays are more of a blue-gray. Just straight up, that's what it is. And a yellow-based gray is yellow gray or more of like a brown gray. The difference between blue and yellow-based blacks can be super hard to tell with your naked eye, but yes, there is a difference. Blue-based black is jet black, raven black, that super intense, dark, deep black. And yellow blacks are more like charcoal, golden black, umber black, or ash. And now for white. Blue-based white, like my shirt, is snow white or blue white or white white. What you think of when you go outside and it's snowing and it's beautiful and it's pure white, that is going to be your blue-based white. Now, when you add a little bit of a yellow to a white, it becomes more of a cream or a bone color or a winter wool white. These are more of your yellow, creamy whites. Hopefully you now have a greater understanding of what makes a blue-based color and what makes a yellow-based color. Let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway was from this video, and feel free to ask any questions that you have on blue and yellow-based colors. I would love to keep the conversation going. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.